Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see the explanation of a question on quadratic, which is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics. And this is a non-calculator question. You know, from 2025, one paper on AdMaths will be without calculator. So let's solve this question. So it is a quadratic equation, and we know that the general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So if we compare with this equation, we can see a is equals to 2 minus root 10, because you can see this is the coefficient of x square, and the coefficient of x is what? 1, and c is a constant, which is 2 plus root 10. So from here we have gotten the value of ABC, and the requirement of the question is to solve the equation and give the answer in this form. So it is giving a very clear hint that we have to apply quadratic formula. Now what is the quadratic formula? Do you remember? X is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b, c in it. So let's do this. B is 1. Be careful about the sign, write down in bracket so that there is no confusion. Okay. So 1 square minus 4, a is 2 minus root 10, and b is 2 plus root 10. Right. So now after that, what comes in your mind? It is without calculator. So what will you do now? Yes, if you focus here, at this point here, it is reminding you a plus b and a minus b, right? So this is the algebraic identity, which is equivalent to a square minus b square. So now what I will do here is x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4. Now this is what I'm talking about. This and this is a, sign is minus plus, and then it is b. So I will apply here 2 square minus root 10 square, right? And then denominator I will at the moment keep it as it is. Then I will see if I need to simplify or not. So right now I'm not changing it, I'm keeping it in the factorized form, which is mostly useful, right, until I have a simplified form of the numerator. So let's simplify numerator further. So now I have 1 minus 4. Now within the bracket it will be 4 minus 10, right? I'm doing it slowly so that you can also comprehend along clearly. After that it will become x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 24, because 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 times minus 4 is 24, which will become 25. And what is root of 25? 5. So I will do one step direct here. So it will become, let me change the color for example, x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 5, because 24 plus 1 is 25 and root of 25 is 5. So now this will become, now it is taking simplified form slowly. So I have two things here, two values of x. Okay, I'm writing it into two form. So x is equals to minus 1 plus 5 will be what? 4, right? Minus 1 plus 5 will be 4. 4 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 10, right? And minus 1 minus 5 will become what? Minus 6. So I will get this. Now what comes in your mind? What will you do next? It is without calculator and I have to bring the answer in which form? A plus b root 10. This is the form in which I have to get the answer. Right, so first of all, I can simplify. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, right? First thing. So now afterward, this side will become 2 divided by 2 minus root 10, and this will be, let me change the color for this side, it will be minus 3 divided by 2 root 10. Now what comes in your mind? Now till here we have applied quadratic formula. Now we will apply the concept of surds, right? So rationalizing the denominator we will apply here. So what I will do, first of all, I'm solving left hand side. I'll multiply and divide it by 2 plus root 10. Okay. So this is rationalizing the denominator by conjugate of the denominator. So now here it will become what? Just writing it, just a minute. So again it will reminding me this part and this part reminding me a plus b, a minus b. So it will become a square minus b square, right? The same formula I'm applying here. Because if you see here, if you consider this as a, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. I'm talking about the denominators. Numerator I will multiply as it is. Okay. So now I'm further simplifying it. I'm keeping it as it is. So what it will be? 4 minus 10, which is equivalent to minus 6. So numerator you have 2 plus root 10. So now if I cancel it, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So I will end up with x is equals to minus 2 upon 3 and minus root 10 upon 3. So this is my form a plus b root 10, right? In this form I have to get answer. So my a is minus 2 upon 3 and my b is minus 1 upon 3. Because this thing can be written as, I'm talking about this part. This part can be written as 1 upon 3 root 10, right? Now let's see the right hand side result. Okay, so this side again I will apply the rationalizing the denominator. It will be 2 plus root 10. And exactly the same concept I will apply here. So x is equals to minus 3. Numerator I will simply multiply as it is. And in denominator again the concept of algebraic identity a plus b, a minus b, which will become 2 square minus root 10 square. Same. So now if you see here, it will become minus 3, 2 plus root 10, and denominator is what? Minus 6. So what it will become? Now if I will cancel out here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And by the way, please do not make mistake of cancelling this 2 with this 2, right? You know this is a common mistake, so avoid it. So it will be now 2 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 10. So this will become 1. So finally you have 1 plus half root 10. So this is how you have gotten the two answers. I hope you understood every step. If there is any step which is not clear, you can write in the comment with the mention of the time, so I'll explain it to you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please take care and share it with your friends. Don't forget to press like and subscribe if you have learned something, if you enjoyed learning from here, so that you can get the indication of all my new videos I'll send. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.